Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge, just here to show you this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the unit today just to show you some of the features and options that this Jeep has to offer. Starting with, you can see it is of course in your black paint finish, accented by your blackout badging, black rims on the unit as well, so very sleek looking ride. Coming around towards the back here, you can see it is equipped with your backup camera as well as your rear park sensor. You can see your sensors there across that back bumper. You also do have your towing capabilities with the unit as well, so you can see your hitch there. Power lift gates equipped on the unit as well, as you can see. Checking out some of the cargo space in the back here, so you can see there's a decent amount of space back there to store your gear bags, kind of secured out of the way while on the go. You also do have your rubber floor mats included across the entire unit, so in the cargo area here, second row, and in that front row as well. So again, just your power lift gate. Now the Jeep Grand Cherokee also offers great 4x4 capabilities, giving you some great handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. So just to check out some of the features inside here. So you can see in the back seat there is a decent amount of space back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. So again as I mentioned, you do have your rubber floor mats included throughout the entire unit as well. Up front you can see your touchscreen display area here, so a very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features packed in there as well. So you do have access to all your audio, media controls built in there, your climate controls accessible in through there as well. You do have your heated front seats, heated steering wheel, access to just some of the apps that are included in through there, navigation, your Bluetooth capabilities, and of course your settings. Just below that, you again have access just to your basic audio media controls, climate controls in through there. You do have lane departure warning, so you can toggle that on and off right there. In through your center console area, you can see your media ports are built in behind there, so neatly tucked away. You do have your push button start equipped on the Jeep as well, so you can see the key fob for the unit here. Remote start's included, so a great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Your steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to your cruise control options on there. Bluetooth, you can have capabilities in on the left hand side. In behind the steering wheel, access to your audio media controls, so you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But if you're looking for a great everyday vehicle, something with that 4x4 capability and a great blend of features, this Jeep Grand Cherokee could be the option for you. If you have questions about this Jeep or any of the other units on our lot, please feel free to give the team a call, 780-826-2999.